Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're just going to do a quick example of SUMIFS. Pretty common formula, pretty commonly misunderstood formula, but relatively simple once you know what you're looking for. So just jump right into it and we'll kind of walk it through with an example. That's probably the easiest way to understand. So you'll always have a table of information that you are looking at. So in this situation we have type, name, and the amount. So obviously you're going to be looking for a number field when you're summing. So in this situation, an amount. Then you'll be basing your criteria for your sum on a couple of different criteria. So I've always found it's helpful to type it out so that you can use those cell references. If you guys are unfamiliar with cell references, check out some other videos. They will walk you through it, but it's huge when you are creating formulas. So what we're going to do is we are going to make a SUMIFS that based on the type and the amount that we select here, it will, or type and name, I'm sorry, it will return the amount that we have. So we'll just say we'll be looking at John initially and the type of product and the name of John. Then when we do a SUMIF, so we'll type it in there and it will kind of walk us through it again. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to walk through some ifs. Some if and the s are very similar. Ifs work a little bit better. If without the s will only work with one criteria. So most of the time you can use some ifs. It will do everything that some if will do and more. So it's good tip there. So the sum range is always going to be your number field that you are looking for. So you select that, then hit comma, and the criteria range 1. It doesn't matter what order you put these in, it just matters that you match them up. So we will put type as our criteria range 1, and then criteria 1 is going to be the value that you are looking up. So in this situation, we're going to use product. Criteria range 2 is the exact same thing, just for our second criteria. And as you can see, there are many more criteria that you can do. So it just keeps going and going and going. Close that parentheses, hit enter, and it will show us that it is summing all of the product for John. So in this situation, there's that 100 and there's 1275. Notice that it is not including the service for John because it does not match. And it does not obviously include any other product for the people because it also does not match. If we wanted to change this, we can change it, and it will return the value based on those two criteria that we have entered. So hopefully that helps you guys and makes SUMIFS a lot simpler for you, and you can use it in your day-to-day life. There's some other videos on the screen of other helpful Excel tips. Feel free to check those out, and have a good one.